In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero certification. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to find the resources that explain the full certification journey so you can move forward with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Xero Central at central.xero.com. This is Xero's official help and learning hub, where all the training content and certification pathways live. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Xero account to access learning content. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're on Xero Central, look for the courses and certification area. It's typically featured in the learning or training sections, and it brings together self-paced lessons, webinars, and structured programs designed to build your product knowledge. Clicking there takes you straight into Xero's curated training experience. From there, select Xero certifications. This section is dedicated to the formal certifications that validate your skills with Xero. It's where you'll find the most up-to-date certification paths. Think of this area as your launch pad. It highlights what's available, how each certification is structured, and what you can expect in terms of learning format and assessments. You'll now see the available courses displayed. Take a moment to browse the cards and read the summaries. Each listing typically includes a description, estimated duration, and the key skills you'll develop. Use this overview to match your goals, whether you're new to Xero or looking to deepen expertise in specific areas. Pay attention to any notes about prerequisites, learning outcomes, and whether the course includes knowledge checks or a final assessment, so you can plan your study time effectively. If you want to view the full catalog, click Show More to expand the list. This is helpful if you're comparing multiple certification options or exploring related learning. As you scroll, look out for filters and search options on the page. They can help you zero in on the topics, regions, or levels that fit your needs without missing anything important. Finally, click on Our Certification Process. This page explains how certification works from start to finish. It typically outlines how to enroll, how the learning modules are structured, what the assessment entails, and the criteria for passing. You'll also provide helpful details about time commitments, how to maintain or renew certification, and where to access your certificate or digital badge once you've passed. Reviewing this page first can save you time and set clear expectations before you dive into the coursework. That's it. Head to Xero Central, open courses and certification, choose Xero certifications, explore the available courses, expand with Show More, and read our certification process to understand the path end to end. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your Xero certification journey.